break above, break below. The price. Well, price right now? Oh, okay. Based off of that theory, the open on the regular trading hours. So like regular trading hours is like when the market opens and closes, like the 9:30 a.m. Eastern time to like 4:30 or whatever. 4:59 I guess for futures or whatever it is, but basically 4 or after. It's 4:30 actually. Should know this. That is 29,513. So that would fill the gap.
Oh, that's like even more specific.
And I think that the VWAP is also right there. Look, the VWAP and the 200 EMA are both right there.
Not on my chart.
Yeah, I don't know why TradeAway is doing that, to be honest. It's weird.
But yeah, it's right where all these little red candles are. It's like down.
Mm-hmm.
But I think if we break this, then we're definitely going to go higher because it hasn't really gotten past this mark all morning.
That high?
Yeah. And then you see on the 30-minute chart, it's kind of an upward trend as well. So these are also kind of where like these highs are right here. So if we break these, if we go past these like highs, there's this like it's very slight, but there's these fair value gaps right here.
You're saying if it uses those as support?
Yeah, if it uses it as I'm so
like
tired
inverse
this morning.
Same.
Yeah. So
no, I'm just making sure. So.
And then you can kind of see the same thing on the 1 hour chart. Let me see.
That wick right there on that high looks nice.
Yeah. So basically, if we break these,
we're using that EMA as support too.
Yeah, if we break this area and like have a really strong indicator that we're going up, then I'm gonna go up. If not, I'm gonna go short.
Short. If we break below it.
Yeah.
And use it as resistance.
Yeah, but the only thing I'm worried about is that the market could just like right now it's like deciding what it wants to do.
Well, also SpaceX IPO launches today.
Oh.
So I don't know if that's after the market close or we gotta look it up. I don't know.
Or right when it opens.
Market might pump if that's when it might go crazy. I don't know what time it actually like does it though.
You should look that up.
Yeah, look it up. Can you say hi to Carthy?
Hi, Carthy.
There you have it.
How do I?
Do what? I'm gonna trade micros today.
Good.
Yeah, no minis, no mini contracts. Just micros. Becoming a new man today. No longer.
Watch you like do so well and be like, I wish I was trading minis.
That's literally what's gonna happen. Good morning, Adam.
Hi.
Yeah, that's literally what will happen.
Okay, SpaceX is not expected to start trading right at 9:30.
Probably after the market closes out, I think. Market opens in 5 minutes. I also think that You see this right here? Pump up, little dip down, start to pump up again, and how this green candle might fill up.
Yeah.
Could be an indicator to go higher. It's basically like I was like a flag or like a breaker thingy jiggy. It kind of looks like it in support. On a 4-hour chart though, let's see. Yeah, we really need to break that high right here. This is like, I feel like this high right here is like seriously like a strong indicator of like probably push up to these highs. There's that gap here, gap here. We're kind of see how the bodies are like using the 50% of that as resistance still, and just like can't get past that
Well,
level.
it's testing it. I don't even necessarily know if it's resistance yet.
Well, it is because it won't go past it, so technically it's resistance.
Yeah, I see that.
It's hit it 4 times. It can't get past it. So. See, look, 4 hours. These are 4-hour candles of 16 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. Except for this one hasn't closed yet, but it closes in 30 minutes.
Oh, and a brownie.
Ooh,
I made zucchini brownies last night.
the best.
They are so good.
Pretty amazing how like it goes exactly to the line, and then like look at that perfect like. Because they were saying yesterday on set, oh, trading's like gambling. I'm like, it's not. Like you can call shit like that and play these moves. Like it's all probabilities.
It's gambling if you have no idea what the hell you're doing.
You could treat it like gambling.
For sure. Like you can always guess, 50-50, is this candle going to go up or down?
Right.
However, there is a very specific way that things move. There's a mathematical algorithm to it. There is a financial algorithm to it, like socially, depending on like who's making the big moves and when and why.
Institutions.
Yeah.
Well, they move the market.
You
like
definitely have to check the news. But I think like the news will create either mass buying or mass selling. And based on the mass buying or mass selling, the market has a specific way it likes to move within those trends. And it's very interesting. I mean, you can see it when it like hits those points basically to the T, and it doesn't move past it. That's not a gamble. That's math. Work it out.
Double top. Double top here. Hit this point 1 time, 2 time, keeps rejecting. We got to really break these highs. What chart is this? 1 minute. Okie dokie. 60 seconds. Market opens.
All right.
Oh, we got a whole lot of messages. Hello, everybody. How do you both caffeinate double espresso or 4 espressos? Trading minis. No, not minis. Micros. The VIX? Yeah. Adam, you better be careful. You can't sell us this information. They're going to come and get you.
Zucchinis are not cucumbers.
They're zucchinis. All right, market's about to open.
They're squashes.
30 seconds. Probably come up and tap that V. What do you think?
I hope it goes past it.
Yeah, I mean.
I'm not going to make my move, though, until I have, like, a strong indicator up or down. I'm just hoping that it doesn't get, like, choppy.
Yeah.
I would like to make a trade today, just for fun.
And she's open? No, it's already going crazy. And wow.
Yes, that's what I want to see. I want to see, like, a strong rejection down into this area, and then I think we'll go up.
Big red candle. Or
However,
black
if
candle.
it stays below this, like, this line here, that 29,400, and it doesn't come up, then I guess we're definitely bearish for the day.
Big. Oh, look at that.
But I'm going to wait.
Didn't break the low. That wick.
See, yeah, you see that? I'm hoping that we come down here. We stay down here for a little bit. I'm going to get a really good entry, and then we're going to pop up above this here and break these.
Tap into like a gap or something?
Yeah.
Nice. I mean, look at that wick on the bottom on the 1 minute candle. So, or, well, They can't see the 1 minute. You look at it.
Yeah. Well, what I've noticed is like the NASDAQ really likes to tease you, right? Like it'll do one thing.
She fucks you.
It'll do one
Tricks
thing
you.
when the market opens, and it'll stay there for like a couple minutes, and then it'll just go the complete opposite way.
To all the boys out there, it'll fuck you over like no girl could ever. There's something different about the NASDAQ. You think the short's gonna break that little minor low right there?
I'm hoping they do.
I think we are.
I mean, they've kind of broke it already. 29,400.
They didn't break it.
Oh.
I'm talking about the low at like 29.
Oh.
It's gonna take it out right now.
Yeah. Well, it might take it out, but let's see if it stays below there, closes below there.
Yeah, I know.
If it does, let's see what the next couple candles do, because that will be a really good indicator.
Come on, take it out. It's teasing it so much. I feel like this kind of shit pisses me off, where it's just like teeter totters. It's like just what?
It's the first minute.
Second. No, but it's like like the candle just like is so indecisive. It's just like, are you gonna take it out or not? You know?
Yeah.
I would assume it would, but I guess it doesn't have to. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It looks like it wants to take out that little minor low. It's going. But this is like what you talked about with the NASDAQ. Will act like it's about to do it, and then it like rips the other way, like 100 points.
Yeah, I'm waiting to get a good entry, like right here around 29,350, right at this low here. And then I'm going to... Can I actually like make an order for that?
Like a limit? Yeah. Like a buy?
Yeah.
If you wanted, yeah. You can do whatever you want in the charts.
Put a buy order right there.
Maybe it doesn't take out that low because it wants to go higher. Just teeter totters, teeter totters, teeter totters.
All right, I've got a buy order for 29,350.
Yeah. There you go. It's getting closer. Finally wants to take out that low. Okay, took it out. Oh, it's still going a lot, but it might wake up.
Hoping it does. If it goes past 29,300.
Your stop loss is. Why is there stop loss there? Because there's this low here. Just be careful of this.
What is that at?
29,260.
Oh, okay.
Like I could want to go for that.
All right, I'll put my stop loss at 29,245.
I think it might take that low, honestly. There's also the 200 EMA right there. That is on the 233. So, yeah, it looks pretty weak, honestly. I kind of want to go short, but I feel like I'm chasing a little bit. The ES
I've kind of got like a 1-to-1 ratio going on here.
I hope we get a little pop, and then I can go short. Because truthfully, I think that low probably wants to get taken. I want to go short if we can pop up a little bit. Just get me a better entry.
It'd be nice if you get like a really good low entry.
Yeah. Oh, for a long?
Yeah.
Yeah, true. Guys, use code Molly on tradeify.co. That's what we're trading right now. We're trading with tradeify.co. And you guys can trade with us. We're trading 50K select daily plans. Well, I guess you choose daily after you pass, but that's what we're going to do. Because then you get to take daily payouts. My account yet. It's all Gucci. There you go. You're like right at the... Are you using one micro?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm not... I don't want to...
No, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trading 5 micros. It's half of a mini, so it's $10 every point instead of $20. I'm gonna try to like really like chill out and not go crazy because like the losses.
There we go. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, go for you. Nice. I hope we get a pop and then a drop. No offense.
It's okay.
Unless we get a little V-shaped recovery for this little tiny little move.
I'd like to see it be bullish because that's the trade I'm in.
I mean, we tapped into this gap right here on a 1 hour. We're kind of wicking out of it. Maybe it's support and then goes up to that high right here. That wick.
That's what I'm hoping for. That'd be
I would be happy with that. I would take that. If we start to use that EMA as support and we start to use this fair value gap right here as support, I'll like go long.
Yeah, look at that. I'm up 150 for the day almost.
Hell yeah. Good job.
Come on, go past that. Go past that EMA. Yes. I want to see you go past it. Real strong.
We'll see. It looks like a pretty strong candle. I want to go around the other way. ES is also like having a strong wick on that hour. Or sorry, these are 15-minute candles.
Yes, come on.
Big.
Go past it.
Let's see if it's the classic resistance here. Looks pretty bullish. No, it doesn't.
I'm putting my stop loss in profit.
Yeah, do it. Fuck it. Nothing wrong with that. Let's see if we reject off this line or if we start to use it as support and break above it. Personally, I don't really care.
Yes. Oh my God.
Good job.
Get really, really, really strong. Come on. Just like, break it. Yes.
At least tap the VWAP or whatever, you know?
Yeah.
That would be cool.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Rejecting still. There we go. That looks
Closed
pretty,
above it.
Closed pretty. Yeah, closed above it. Looks pretty good. Maybe if we get this next candle really strong, that'd be cool. That would be a nice indicator. Break that high right there. Get it really strong. Come on. I hope it goes up for you. Yeah, I like that. Oh, what? Little fake pop. Maybe she's going down. Rejection.
All right. I took profit at 96, and then I'm going to get back in because I think it's a fake.
You think it's going to go up still or go down?
Out. I should technically wait for more indication.
It's bouncing off that fair value gap right there on the green to go up, it looks like. See how it's like still going up and just after tapped into it? We'll see. We will see. But if it invalidates that fair value gap, then maybe the short is still good, you know? But let's see what ES is doing. If this is a green candle that pumps up, you know, that type of thing and creates that pattern, that would be nice. Oh, yeah. A little flaggy there. We're still using this as support, you know. Let's see.
So right now we're kind of like in a little sandwich, as you called it yesterday. Right around this area and right around this area.
There it is, maybe.
We'll see which one it wants to go towards.
Or also there's that gap where it could be rejecting its resistance right here, you know?
Yes. Yes, exactly.
That's the sandwich, yeah.
Yeah, that
show
is
it
a
on
sandwich.
your chart when you, yeah, like show it.
So right at this part, I'm going a little more like, start with this, I'm going to say right at this, what is this, VWAP or EMA?
VWAP.
Right at the VWAP, I'm going to say, and all the way down to where these like recent little lows are, is 29,400. Right here, even right here, 29,360, where this fair value gap is. This is a little sandwich right here, and it's looking like it's getting pretty choppy these last couple minutes, so I'm glad I got out of the trade.
You're out?
I got out. I took profit at $96.
Oh, shit.
Just because, like, look at it. It's so choppy.
I know.
So my indication is still the same. If it breaks past this 29,500 and stays past it, like closes past this VWAP here, I think that we're going to be bullish. Look at that green candle.
Big green candle, a little bull flag.
Yeah, but if it wants to stay below this 29,400, then I'm going to assume we're bearish. But I'm not going to make a trade until I see either one of those because I don't want to get chopped out in this midpoint here.
Dude, my fucking thing is really pissing me off. Every time I click the thing, it like clicks the wrong
Take
thing.
your profit.
Yeah, fine. I got out there.
There you go.
I made $256.
Good job.
I wish I held it though as a bull flag and it's gonna hit this VWAP. Whatever. It's okay to take some profit. Realistically, if we start to use the VWAP as support and this fair value gap as support, these highs would be really nice.
I just
That
got
would be my
deja
chart.
vu.
You always get it like every day. I don't know though, because let me see. It's on a 5-minute chart.
Look at that. Okay.
That was my target, was that pink line, and I got
All right.
out early.
All right, let's see what it does here, though. Does it tap it and then use it as rejection, or does it go through it and break through?
Motherfucker.
Let's see what happens.
It's always the worst when it like you get out early and then it goes to your target. We're not even on this one. We're on your chart right now. Why is it so slow? We're on your chart right now.
Ooh.
Oh, what the fuck? Thank God I did get out. Never mind. So it was a rejection to go to this low probably right here.
This is a good entry. I think it's gonna.
Maybe Trump or fucking Iran or some shit just happened. Whatever.
Oh, look at this though.
Holy moly, what was that? Everyone just like so many people just got fucked with that candle. Remember how you said something? Was there news? Maybe there was news today. I don't know.
All right, let's see what's going on.
That's why you check news and stuff, guys, because I don't know what the fuck just happened.
Yeah, that's something we should start doing.
Yeah, we gotta be a little bit more aware of the news. Or maybe something happened, like maybe SpaceX came out. There's that low down there that looks like pretty yummy.
That 29,260.
Or even like the EMA down there too. It just says ES is dumping. I'm gonna go short. Fuck it.
Well, let's see what how this candle closes. It's about to close.
No, I'm short. And if I get wicked out, I go or
See
something.
it?
That's
You
fine.
see it?
I think it's gonna go a little bit lower. At least
It might. We'll see.
At least that low right there. But it doesn't. It doesn't. Whatever. You know, it doesn't have to do shit.
It's not getting super heavy like I'd like it to.
I know. Why is it so like? I hate when it's like.
You see that?
It really should just want to dump, right? Like ES is dumping. What the fuck? I don't like when they don't follow each other.
Yeah, there's not much.
There we go. Come on, do it.
I want to see it break these right here, and then I'll get in. Come on, break it. Break it strong. Good.
Great.
All right, there we go. Now I'm in.
There's that low. See that low? Go for that. It's at 261. That's a good entry. Or, sorry, exit. We could even go lower, but Molly's about to get her move. I feel like it could even tap the EMA at like 222, 29,222. But like, I don't know. That's like your call to go really hard or not go really hard. Oof. Molly is short and she's about to get her take profit tapped. Oof. This is going to be a big green candle probably just to fuck with you, you know?
I'm out. I took out in profit like $10.
I feel like you should trade 2 micros so that you could pass that account.
Or fuck myself.
Well, I'm trading 5 micros right now and look, I'm only up 569. And like the losses are actually not as bad, which is really nice. It's actually super nice trading micros.
Yeah, it's less stress.
I don't feel like fucking stressed. I'd be up probably
you
like.
get to keep your hair color.
Yeah.
I had a dream that I went like blonde hair with like pink.
We always talk about this pink hair. Are you going to do it or what?
I really want like long, like, you know, in that.
Never mind.
What?
Nothing.
You know, in that video that like.
Can you slide your thing over a little bit so that it's like right here?
With me and Layla, where she had that like super long hair. Like, I want hair that long.
No, I never really paid attention. Trading is viewed, Mr. Philosopher over here. Trading is viewed as as expression. That's really the simplest way to describe it.
Mr. Philosopher.
We got Shakespeare in the house. I don't get in trouble for suggesting.
Trading is to expression as breathing is to living.
When you go long, the way to think about it is like a flower reaching its full blossom. And when that flower dies, it went short. I hope Adam's still here listening.
Oh, so he's probably cracking up.
He's probably like, I hate you guys. We're like, we love you too. I like that.
All right. Maybe we are bearish for the day. I don't know.
I mean, hello.
I mean, yeah, we're not really pushing past this 29,400.
What?
Let's see. Maybe this is a breaker, and it's just gonna go low from here. You see?
That's what I was thinking. That's what I was hoping. That's why I fucking was being silly. This is a fucking bullish breaker.
Can that be a bullish breaker when it goes down like that?
I don't really know. We're just gonna flag in here. That candle's looking. We didn't take out that low, so it might be a fucking not wanting to take it out. I don't know. I'm not gonna do shit. Yeah. I don't know how I'm up $652 now, but okay.
Good job.
So Honestly, 5 micros is like my sweet spot because I'm okay with that much money falling. I can be cool and walk away. Like I don't need to make thousands of dollars. I'm chilling. Ooh, dumpy, dump. Dump my pants. Oh my God. Okay. So we did take out that low, folks.
All right, let's see what it does here.
That's kind of what I've been talking about this whole fucking time. So we had that low right here. We finally swiped it out. And look at that fucking, look at that bounce off of that, taking that low. Oh, I'm so tired. I didn't even check for Asia low or London low today or highs. What are you doing?
I'm going long.
Molly has gone long on the dong in her account.
All right, kill me. Come on. Where's Appa?
Oh, it's okay. Shh. Don't do that.
I want him.
Yeah, but he's very distracting and I've locked him away.
You've locked
I
him
put
away?
his food in the room. Molly's catching a little bouncy scalpy right there. Like, will she get it? I would be a little nervous going long, but we're just selling off. I wonder if there was news or a tweet. We got to check. Yeah, get that scalp. What the fuck? Why did you hold it?
Because you're talking too much. You give
Do
me
2
anxiety.
micros. Please do 2 micros so you can pass the account. Also, you have another account you need to pass.
Yeah, I know. But I want to do this one first.
But 2 micros is not that bad. It's $4 a point. You gotta take some risk. Oh, you should have held it. God, I can't believe you didn't hold it. Man, what's wrong with you?
You're
man?
literally, every word you say gives me anxiety. Like, you're like, oh my God, you shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have done that. And then it's like, why didn't you do that?
Shh. You're loud in my ears right here. I'm just teasing you.
Oh.
Damn, bro. You fucked up, bro.
No, seriously, in my ear.
This is what I do to her every day, and this is why she...
This is why I can't hold my freaking trades.
No, you're good at holding your trades. Come on. If I didn't tease you, would our relationship be boring?
I have more money on my account.
You're like, you're making me broke. We're still all right. So we popped up to the EMA. We're rejecting. We took out that pretty. I don't know what kind of low that was. I don't know if it was just like a minor low. It was like a bigger low. We're on your chart. Yeah. We hit the. Okay. Let's go to my chart real quick. We took out this minor. What the fuck? So we had this low right here. We took it out. We tapped this 200 EMA, and now that's why we're getting that bounce. Also, the move we took was right here. We created that pattern. I always forget the name, like breaker, bullish breaker, or sorry, bearish breaker, or fucking whatever, order block, something like that. It doesn't matter if I know the name or not, as long as I can see it and recognize it. This pattern right here with the sell-off, this little pop, it's basically a bear flag. We rejected off this VWAP, rejected off the CMA, and then we went straight down. And we went straight down at, what time was that big candle? I guess like right here, 9:40. So was there news or something at 9:40? I don't know. Came up, popped up, shing, ba-ding, ba-ding. Take out this low. We're still below everything. 200 EMA, VWAP, see, resistance. Right here, we got the EMA. It's resistance. Molly is going sideways right now.
What are those Asia lows?
Right here, we're selling off. That's the ES. Let me check the Asia lows real quick. So that low was the London low, so that makes sense. And that made sense to kind of popping along there. But, okay, so that made sense. Yeah, that low definitely wanted to get taken. That was the London low. And like now we're starting to bounce and use it as support. That red line right there, that was the London session low. So it was all the trading that took place from, what is the hours again? Like 2 to 5 a.m. or something like that? Or 12 to 5? I forget. I probably sound, don't listen to me. But now we're starting to use that as support. So that's I don't know. We're still going sideways though. So no trade to be taken. ES still kind of going lower here.
What are those Asia lows?
Asia low?
Yes.
Asia low was already taken.
Oh.
Over here.
I am a big dummy.
Yeah, I do my London low for like 1 a.m. Or sorry, no. Yeah, 1 a.m. to around like 5 a.m. So I could do like 1 or 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. is like the sweet spot. I like to do 7 p.m. Some people do 8 p.m. on Asia to 12 a.m. I do 7 p.m. to 12 a.m. on Asia low and high session. I think that there's like some people do 8, some people do 7. And then some people do 5, and some people do 1 maybe for London. I could be wrong, but I know a lot of people do 2 to 5 for London. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking about it now.
Oh my god.
Molly's long.
No, I'm short.
Molly's short. Never mind. Sorry. Might be valid. Could be like a little flag.
To be honest, I think we're bearish for the day. We're not pushing past this 21,400 mark.
We are bearish technically if you look at the chart. I mean, look at that. I'd be so sick if that's a fucking massive red candle, which it totally could be. I'd maybe move your stop a little bit lower. Do what you want. Sorry. Let me shut up. Sorry.
Let me do what I want to do.
Well, you'll be like, help me. And then like.
I'm not asking for help.
Yeah. You're right. You're right.
If I'm wrong, let it be because I'm wrong.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm so fucking tired.
I just don't like this choppy price action, but I feel like it's just not like if it was gonna be bullish, I wanted to just see it like.
That is some crazy price action.
I know if it's gonna be bullish, so I'd wanted to see it like consistently stay above like this number, and maybe it will. Maybe this is just the top before it goes.
I mean, we're using that London low as support right now.
Yeah,
That's the only thing that's concerning. For like maybe this is the reversal.
this is why I shouldn't be on 2 micros.
Oh, big strong candle right there.
Yeah, well, that's why I got my stop loss there. I feel like
Yeah.
if it's gonna hit this, then we're gonna be bullish for the day.
Sure. It's looking pretty strong.
There we go. I'm about to get taken out.
And she was stopped out. That could be the reversal.
It's okay. See, I'm only down $90 for the day. It's not like crazy. That's why I don't want to be on 2 micros.
You would only be down 180. It's not that much.
More than 90.
Definitely more than 90. It's 2x. ES is now okay. So ES ES took out London low 2. Yes, and now it hit the new week opening gap. So ES took out the London low, hit the top of the new week opening gap, I think it was, and now is starting to go up. So this could be a good indication that the market wants to go the other way.
I just want to see more follow through. Right now, it's still pretty choppy.
Yeah, there's not enough follow through. We did take out those little highs on the 1 minute, but doesn't mean shit really.
No.
The body closed above the EMA. It's kind of a decent sign, but this one's like,
It's taken out what we just gave back.
yeah, it just took all that back out. Let's see how this candle, what this one does.
Oh
This
my
is a
God.
I feel like this candle is a pretty important candle. And she's a dumper.
Well, it's almost 7.
Okay, so 10 o'clock usually is a good reversal time. So let's see what happens. I'm going to wait to see confirmation, and then I'll take like one more trade for the day and be done. Then I'll just watch. I'm really happy I'm trading 5 micros, by the way.
Good.
You've inspired me to
I'm proud of you.
chill out.
Very proud of
Use
you.
less size.
Bigger is not always better.
And you'd know. Take it from her. That's why she dates me.
I was going to say something like that, but.
It's okay. I can make jokes at myself. You got to be able to joke at yourself. Not self-deprecating, but joke at yourself. If you take yourself too seriously, man, you're a dork. All right, so now we're below the EMA. Kind of resistance. See what happens here.
It's still
Maybe
choppy.
it looks like a bear flag, maybe. But we're still kind of grinding up.
I mean, to be honest with you, it's not hitting past this point. And so, like, this, like, tiny little fair value gap here. Tiny, tiny, tiny.
It's a little bit of a bear flag. Like, you see the flagpole, the grind up.
That's what I'm seeing is, like, maybe it'll want to hit this EMA right here and then just go down.
Yeah. Again, these next couple candles are important because we're, like, right hovering around it. So a move is going to happen at some point with this, I feel like.
Yeah.
They're pretty. Oh yeah. Uh-oh. She's getting stronger. Remember that big ass fucking death candle though? Like I would be worried that they're gonna be like, oh yeah.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm hoping for.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
All right, we've tapped it.
I don't know. I think we might be going up. And I don't want to say that and then it goes down. But like, I'm just trying to look at the ES and it's like ripping up. Not ripping, but definitely showing recovery. I kind of want to trade ES maybe.
Do that.
I feel like the ES is just like cleaner.
Do
like
what you
smoother.
want.
I forget how many points ES is on a micro. Is it $5 maybe? Yeah, it looks like it's pretty strong. Looks like she wants to maybe go up. I might trade. I might go long. I don't know though. Maybe a little scalp to that high of that candle. I just hate this little area though. Okay, we're closing above. It's looking strong. Candle's pumping a little bit. She's going. I'm taking a scalp long. Fuck it. Don't do what I do, guys.
I'm already in long.
Don't be a degenerate. She's going. She's going. She's not going. Nice. Good job, you're long. Wow, great. You took out the highs, used the support. I like how you're at the bottom of that box after value gap right there. It's a cool spot. Nice job. Nice trade. Hell yeah. All right, I think we maybe are recovering here. I'm like hoping we're getting the reversal. Look at that ES candle. Holy shit. That's a 5 minute on the ES. Yeah, this looks pretty strong. We're still at so we're at the 50% of this fair value gap on, I think that's a daily or 4 hour fair value gap. So I'm going to wait a little bit longer, but I definitely think I might want to go long and then take out the highs and stuff from today, or even those other highs that we talked about earlier. VWAP looks like a nice target.
That's where I'm at.
You're at the VWAP. Did you close the trade?
Yeah, I did. I took my profit.
Should have just stayed long.
I know.
Look at that recovery on the ES.
Gorge.
Just like you. I'm up $700. Cool.
I'm down 100.
There's two types of traders in this world, folks.
Ones that are learning and ones that have been doing it for years.
Just teasing, baby. Relax. Just teasing you. My girlfriend makes the best brownies.
One thing I'm good at.
No, you're good at a lot of things.
Hi, buddy.
I mean, it's a lot of green candles
I'm
closing
good at
over that
making the
EMA.
pets feel special and loved.
She's good at making. You're a very loving
Good
person.
at rubbing your neck.
You're a very loving, kind person. Please do respond to me, Molly. Please.
Please respond. I want to sleep with you, please.
I live in India.
That's how you sound to me. Please, I want to play with you. I want to sleep with you, please.
Like, honestly, bro, like that's how you get girls.
Please, just let me touch you.
If you really want to get a lot of pussy in life, like you have to go to girls' live streams, comment 100 times on their thing, and go, pretty, please. Like it works every time.
Or you could be like, I've got the biggest cock in the world.
Yeah.
You're missing out, babe.
Hey, dick's huge. What's up? That'll get you a lot of pussy.
Big cock haver 5.
That was so funny.
I like that guy.
I like that guy too. That guy's my favorite. Oh, okay. Look at that.
Yes.
Ooh.
No.
So
oh
it's
my
10 o'clock.
God,
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. This is always a good time to catch some type
Holy
of move.
shit. Holy shit. Look at that. I'm like, why is it using my entry as resistant? Oh, there we go.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that, boys. Motherfuckers going up in the motherfucking sky. Oh my God. Your stop loss is mighty low. If it takes out that low, I would just not get the fuck out. Whoa, look at that rip. It's I told you, 10 o'clock. The market is time-based, folks. 10 o'clock is a very good time to see what's going to happen. It goes up or it goes down at 10 o'clock. Does not go sideways usually. So we're using that EMA as support. If you look at her chart, that green line is support. And she's going to tap that purple line, we are assuming. I think, see, if you traded 2 micros, you'd already be recovered. She's going to tap it. She's going to tap it. Tap it, tap, tap, tap. Don't edge us. My friend goes, why did I hit the link? Because I sent him the video. He goes, and the first thing I hear out your mouth is, motherfucker's going to the motherfucking sky. We need like a clipper to clip all of our content. Oh.
Hey, Karthi, if you want to be our clipper to clip of our content, then maybe that'll get you extra points.
Yeah. It would really suck to like be obsessed with somebody and like want to fuck somebody that you'll never be able to fuck.
Well, you can always text me.
You can always subscribe to OnlyFans and pretend.
You can always text me on OnlyFans. I'm in profit $4.
So $5. MES is $5. I think.
Oh.
It's gonna hit it. It looks pretty strong, that candle. Yeah. It's gonna take out that high maybe from the morning. Nope. Edged. Edgers. It looks like it might just like rocket. If it doesn't dump, it's gonna be one of those candles that just goes.
I'm in profit $14, guys. I have gotten myself out of the stupid hole that I was in.
Holy shit, you're buying dinner tonight.
Woohoo!
Molly's taking me on a date. She made $14 a day.
$14. But my account's still in drawdown.
I'm having a much better day than yesterday, so that's nice. I had a pretty bad day yesterday. Blew some accounts. Very, very red.
All right, let's see what it does with this.
It's looking pretty strong.
Yeah, maybe you'll get a little better entry at this little red.
I think it'd be cool if we take out that high. That'd be nice. There's like these 2 highs right here, relative equal highs on a 1 minute.
Yeah.
We've just been grinding up.
Maybe we'll tap the bottom of this fair value gap here and then go up.
ES has hit just missed the 200 EMA and then rejected. NASDAQ is above the 200 EMA and the EMA. Oh, so on a 5-minute chart, NASDAQ tapped the VWAP. Oh, it looks strong. Oh, she's going. Check out those highs. Guess who's up $1,013? Oh, we didn't take out those highs. I'm tripping. Sorry. Okay, like I would totally be long now. Oh, took out those highs. Well, it took out one of the highs. It didn't take out that other one. I mean, the longs are valid.
That was $74, guys.
All right, so this was the move that happened today for all the people that don't know what we're doing or what happened. We took out the London low. I'm going to go to my chart real quick. We took out, we came down, we popped up this morning, I think initially. Did we pop up or did we just sell off? I forget. Where's 9:30? No, 9:30. We just sunk down, took out this little low here. We popped up, came up. We rejected off VWAP again. So right here, that pink line. Once we rejected off that, we broke below EMA. We rejected off of that right here. And then we came down. We took out that London low. After we took out that London low, we started to use it as support. And then we just been slow grinding up since that. We started using this EMA as support. We got to VWAP. Now we broke through VWAP. We closed above it. We're starting to use that as support. 200 EMA, which is the white line. We're using that as support. We had these relative equal highs right here. We just took out this one. If you see it just nicked it. So if you look right here like that, boom. Look how it just nicks it and then rejects off of it. That is not random. So there's that. So let's see what happens here. Also, we had this little fair value gap right here. You could say on a 1 minute if you wanted. We started to use as support. See how this candle kind of comes, doesn't even tap it and then starts to go up. A little bouncer. Actually, I guess you could say even like here. Is that gap? Yeah. if you notice right here, the candles start to reject off it, and then it goes through and breaks it and starts to use it as support. And even this gap right here, this was I like fair value gaps. I might be draw out like a million of them, but they work. Even right here, we had this one inversed, or maybe this one. Yeah, see how they all use as rejection and then support. Cool, that's the move. And Molly has made. Oh, never mind.
I'm in a trade.
ES, look at that recovery on ES. Like, I mean, like, huge sell off. And then we took out that London low, the red line. We tapped the new week opening gap. I'm sure it's the high of it. Or no, maybe it's the low. I don't know. I have a few of them. Huge recovery. Look at that. Ate all that back, all that buying. ES is still going up. NASDAQ's starting to follow. Using this as support, the pink line. This is that pattern we talk about all the time. Cool. Longs are valid. I think longs, we could go for these highs right here.
What number is that?
That is 29,657. I would definitely not be short right now.
Yeah, I'm at 29,600.
Wow. Look how strong that is. I would not be short the rest of the day, personally. Look at that. That's strong. That is looking good. I would go long, but I'm just going to secure my profits for the day. And I'm on the eval, so it's 40%, whatever. So I can't even trade it. That would be too much money. Nice. Good job.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty good Friday for me. I made $1,013. Wow. She's ripping.
Now I wish I was on 2 micros.
Yeah. there's no more. How much have we both earned?
What country do we think he's from?
Who cares? Wow. Look at that candle go. That long was so nice from that low being taken. Good shit. Oh my goodness. I mean, your stop loss is pretty low.
Yeah, I know, but
I would
that's what
put
I'm
it-
saying. There's a little
no,
fair value
I
gap
would
here.
put it right here. No, look how strong it is. Go up. Put yourself to break even at least. You're go break even.
I just don't want it to take me out. I want it to hit this.
Okay. I mean, yeah, you could do the low of those candles.
Yeah.
But I wouldn't risk all the way down there. Like, there's no point to give that much back. Molly's up $150 or all $100. ES is still going. I think we take out these highs. We just so there's that on the 2 minute right here. See, we hit this. ES is rejecting a little bit, so we might get a little just sideways for a second and then go up. We'll see. Depends how strong it is. But these highs right here look pretty suspect. Nice. If that's a big green candle, that'd be good. The moisture is good for the brownies. Oh, look at that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Good job. What?
No, I was reading comments. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah.
We're still pumping up, so it's only 7:10, so the market's been open for 40 minutes, and like so 40 minutes of our lives Molly is up $200. I'm up $1,000. What kind of job in the world can do that? She's about to get that take profit. It's like edging. I think it's gonna.
Oh my god.
Patience. Young Sajuan. Patience. Oh my god. Can you drag your screen down a little bit? Right there. Oh my god. Why? Oh my god. I would totally put, yeah, like there's no way you're gonna give it all that back. Dude, that's crazy.
Oh my god, come on.
Her take profit is literally the resistance line. I think
Just take profit.
you just need like a fucking tick to like get it. Just like if it pops a little bit below that high. Or wait, that made no sense. Dude, are you kidding?
Pops a little bit below the high.
Yeah, that made no sense. Oh my god. I told you nobody would toy with you like the NASDAQ would toy with you and trick you and play games. This candle should be a big green one.
All right, I'm out.
Wow.
I don't want to deal with that shit.
Molly has made $224.10 on the day. Congratulations. Good job. You're doing beast mode. Do you want to trade both those at the same time? No. Well, you know, like you have to pass in 30 days. So if you're going to be trading one micro, it may take a long time. Well, we didn't have accounts to trade because trade of fucking Fi was down.
Oh, yeah.
It's not, I got a count too.
Oh, yeah.
By the way, we're doing all this with Tradeify. If you want 35% off at your account, just use code Molly at the checkout. You'll save 35% off on any account. And we're trading the select plan.
So get like 100 of them.
If you get 100, like she'll send you a free nude.
Yeah.
I'll send you a free nude of her. Wow, I can't believe that shit like edged your fucking TP.
I want to see it get like really strong and green, and then maybe I'll get back in for long.
Yeah.
But right now it's looking like it'll be giving me a good entry point.
ES is now all right. So
we might actually want to come back down. We've got this little fair value gap right here.
Here,
and we're kind of tapping the bottom of this fair value gap. Let's see what it does.
All right. So look at this on my chart on the ES.
Yeah.
Whew, fuck. Oh my God. Big reversal. Wow. So like if you look, this is a 2 minute.
Maybe we'll top this like VWAP.
I'm on a 2 minute chart. We have that big gap right here. Look at that. Came up, starting to use as resistance and dip down. We have this right here where it's tapping into and bouncing a little bit in VWAP. Damn. Came up, rejected off that. That's a lot of points. 4-1. Oh well, I guess not for ES. It's not, but for NASDAQ, let's see. 59450 to like 527. It's like 50 points or something, or whatever the math is. I don't know that kind of math off the top of my head. Bull flag. Bull flag. Or it's not. Or this is the classic. I forget what the fucking dude calls it. Let's see how this 1 minute, or sorry, 1 minute. If we reject off this, this is your short entry. But if we use it as support, longs are valid probably to these highs right here. These highs look decent. All these highs look nice. But let's see what happens right here. Oops, sorry. Oof.
$3.
Molly made $3. Sick. You would have made 6. I feel like 2 micros is
I realized it was stupid.
not a lot of risk. I mean, so far,
So far you can't tell.
yeah, I was gonna say.
To be honest with you.
You're not wrong. If this 5 minute candle on the ES like pumps green, that's really good. I would think that long is looking nice then. Like if it, like maybe this is just like a little healthy retracement to go back up. Oh. Yeah. Bull flag. Bull flag. Okay, she's going. Okay, I would be long for these highs right here.
What number is that?
657. 29,657. All right, now we're back above this. Yep. Oh, maybe not. Actually, let me go to like a 2-minute chart. Actually, no, it looks pretty good. I think on 2 minutes this looks good. Unless that becomes the breaker thingy jiggy we talk about. But ES looks pretty strong. Yeah, I would be long for those highs right here. Yeah. It's like 100 points almost. With one mini, that's $2,000. The ES has these highs right here at the top of the box. It's funny how it like rejects at the top of this box. ES is about to break that high right here. Broke it. Nasdaq's pumping. ES is pumping. Yeah. Looks like it's just a healthy retracement. Awesome. Molly is long. Hell yeah. Molly is up 300 dollars. 300,000.
That would be nice.
She's definitely taking me out to dinner.
God, if I was up 300,000.
You're hitting this 50% on this, so be careful. And so is ES. So, like, there's nothing wrong with that short-term profit take right there. If you want to be a little bit bullish, you would go for those highs. Like, or more, whatever the word is, like, risky or aggressive.
Yeah, $295.
Shoot me $300 today. Good job.
My account's almost back at a drawdown.
Oh, yeah. Damn, you definitely got to trade 2 micros, probably. I know you're probably like, I'm learning. And I would copy trade to hopefully just pass those.
So let's see if it hits past that, like 29,660.
I would go to the top of this wick right here. So I would do 29,675 would be like the highs I'd want to take. But then, so that would be these relative equal highs. Yeah. But this one right here is the highest point.
Where are the relative equal highs? 29,675?
Yeah, right there. And then the only thing is we are hitting I think this is a 4-hour or a daily fair value gap. And we're hitting it right at the 50% and rejecting off. So we really need to get above this. Pretty decent like moves today. You could have took the short right here.
Much better than yesterday.
The long was like the real play here. Like this recovery right here. That was the move. We are not financial advisors. This is not financial advice.
I'm not a financial advisor.
This is all for shits and gigs. This is our first day trading.
This is the first ever Friday, June 12th of 2026 that I've traded.
You're not lying. You're not a liar. No.
I'm in long.
Dude, why?
I wanted a good entry.
I think you're getting a little antsy and want to just hit buttons. There's like no reason to go along there.
I was showing a pattern.
Yeah, but again, you're not putting the other things into play with like, I mean, you're right, but right so far, but I would wait, you gotta be careful with that 50%.
Yeah, true.
It's always a rejection or bounce spot. And right now it's rejection. So, but it's time that came down to that top and is now using it as support. But good job. You're in profit. Yeah, it doesn't look good on ES or NASDAQ.
I'm not in profit.
Yeah, it was starting to reject again.
I have like $50 more till I'm not in drawdown anymore.
Yeah, 52. Actually, 51.20.
We'll see what this one does. Maybe it wants to tap this EMA.
Yeah, I'm glad you got out. We're not breaking that high on that top green candle either, you know?
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, this is like on a bigger time frame rejecting, you know? So always, I think the bigger time frames are always really good to keep in mind. You get lost in the 1 minute sometimes. Basically what I'm telling her is like on a bigger time frame, we're hitting this line right here in this red box and we're rejecting off of it.
Yeah, but see, we tapped the EMA and now
Yeah, but we just
we're
made
in a
all
sandwich.
but when I'm also we just made that huge move up. It could want to go down now.
Yeah.
We also did take out like the wick on the 15-minute. That's not a good wick on the 15-minute. We did take this huge move and eat all this back, but again, we're hitting these top of this box, 50% of that box going lower. Let's draw this out right here on this 15-minute. Rejecting off this 15-minute here too. See? You're not even looking.
Yeah. I'm gonna get a brownie.
ES is going down. No, I'll probably work out then eat one. Tell me. When you come back over, can you bring those headphones? Where did they go? Never mind. I'm so tired of getting freaking emails from Erwan. Unsubscribing. Oh, I got something back yesterday, by the way. I don't want to say it on the live, but that brownie looks so good.
It is.
We should just have our own brownies and sell them at Erwan.
Actually, yeah. These are delicious.
Seriously.
No sugar in these.
This is why I like that company. Next day. That's how it should be. Same day, next day. Also, I got my, by the way, I bought some SpaceX IPO. Is it risky? Yeah, sure. But at the same time, I believe in it long term, so I don't really care. This movie looks interesting too. Guys, we're going to go see Obsession tonight.
Woo.
Finally. So I'm excited. I was talking to somebody yesterday about it. They didn't tell me anything, but they were just saying that. Actually, I'm not going to say anything.
Yeah, don't tell me anything.
I don't know anything either, though. Like, it wasn't like, you know, it wasn't like shit.
I want to go in there completely blind.
Just the way I take my trades. So we took out this high here, hit that 50%, rejecting. My head hurts. I need more water. The last couple of days have been like rough with traveling and no sleep and barely eating and dehydration. You're so pathetic. You're really good, girl.
I was having a cramp and you like walked past me in the hallway so fast. You want to talk about empathy? A little boy. I'm short. I'm not short anymore. I lost like 20 bucks. I don't know why I did that, to be honest with you. I think we're bullish for the day. Okay, well, whatever. I just got deja vu again. I definitely dreamed about this. I did. We have. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. It's my gorgeous dog. My gorgeous little boy. Hop up. Hop up. Come on. Hop up. Yep. Come on. Hop up. Come on. Yep. Come on. Hop up. You can do it. Hop up. Hop up. Yes. 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 Come on. Hop up. You got it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's so good. Oh, sorry. He's so good. Mwah. Come here. Come here. Hop up. Come on. No. Okay. He's like, I'm too big. Hey. Such a little big head. A giant head. Ooh, strong green candle. Uh, this is very boring price action. I'll be right back, guys.
All right, let's see. You guys can see that we are just going sideways. Kind of looks like a little bit of like a, maybe like a mini bear flag. I don't know. But yeah, we're just going sideways. It's not very exciting. Yeah. I think I am done trading for the day because I'm trading Tradeify Select Daily 50K plan, and you have to do 3 days to pass the challenge, and I'm on my first day of a new challenge, and you have to make $3,000 profit target, so I'm $1,000, and there's a 40% consistency rule, so if I trade anymore, it's just gonna be like too much, and it's gonna make my consistency probably like not good, too high. If you notice on the chart, look how like we're just using that line as like we're just up and down all around, just like hugging that line. We're like in this tiny little range. Breaking lower, there we go. I mean, if we're rejecting off that bigger candle so far, like we took out the low, I think, on the range. That was like the range low. No, we didn't take it out. Never mind. This candle here, there's a little gap. We're not like getting past it, so maybe the shorts are valid. We are below the EMA now, but again, it's not really doing anything. It's just going sideways, so it's not really a good trade here. Also, the VWAP's right there. It's kind of hard to short when the VWAP's right there because it's going to bounce usually. I mean, a short does look kind of good, but I don't know. Too sideways. It's not the cleanest trade. This gap here, these lows. Yeah, see, like fuck that. No, thank you, I said. No, thank you. Wow, you're going to eat all the brownies. It's a massive brownie. Yeah, I would not do shit. Look at that. See, it went lower, but didn't actually go lower. Just going sideways. Look how I look at the line. Look how look at the candles are like, the line is in the 50% of all those candles. So we're in this tiny little range from the top of that wick on the green one and the bottom of that red one on the left, because that other red one didn't break lower.
This one right here.
You can play the range, short to top, long the bottom. I want to start doing some more crypto plays again. So I'm going to check out the charts for that. I got to organize my chart. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing today.
Does this work?
Today?
Monday.
Monday is the 18th or no?
The 15th.
Yeah, I can do that. All right, we took out the high in that little range, pumping up. Let's see if it's legit or not. We're getting above that EMA. Let me go back to NASDAQ real quick. Looks pretty bullish right now. Look at that.
We'll see if it breaks these highs. When it does.
Yeah, I don't really trust anything yet. I mean, if you look at the 15-minute chart, there's that pattern kind of right here. So that could be a good sign. So, but again, it's not doing anything. I wouldn't even trade right now. There's no point. For what? We're both up money on the day. These are not organized at all, by the way, so don't look at these people. So, oh yeah, looks pretty good. Like this pattern maybe is playing out, but we shall see. Maybe it was like a little healthy consolidation sell-off. All right, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin took out, this is a daily chart. Bitcoin took out this low here from February 6th. Now you can see we're starting to kind of use it as support and getting a little bounce off of it. This is a daily chart. Yeah, so we have this little gap here. I'm going to make that a D. So we're coming up. We might come tap this. See how we do here. Use it as resistance, use it as support. We also have that one right above. Could go to double bottom, maybe. But I don't know. We broke this low, so I'm kind of bearish on Bitcoin and Solana right now. Overall, I think if I had to pick a side. And then let's see Solana. Same exact thing with Solana, literally like an identical chart. Look at that. Came up, took out that high. Shwoom. Same thing here. Came up, took out that high. Shwoom. 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 Maybe we're going to consolidate for fucking 2 weeks now and then go lower.
What do the comments say?
I don't know.
Anybody talking to me?
SpaceX. Where's that? Oh,
data.
man. Hyper liquid came in this fair value gap on the daily. Now we're getting that bounce. Almost hit the 50%. Didn't quite do it. Right here was a good entry short on these two. Right here. Could have went short there. This pop-up would have freaking pissed me off if I was short on that one and not this one. And then short there. Molly got antsy. Gold. So this is gold. Look at this. We had a massive sell-off. We popped up. We were rejected off this gap on the daily. Hovered around this one for a little bit. Started breaking below it. You could see here, here, and here. And we really sold off. And then we had this wick. There's a big wick right here on this candle. We just sold off into it. We came up this 50%. And now we're like, but we filled it. It's crazy how we filled the wick and take out the low of it like perfectly. Like I'll redraw it for you guys. So that big wick right here. But this was like a fucking clean ass. This was an easy, clean move. The short here, look how easy this short looked. I mean, I didn't take it, so I can't say that it was that easy. But right here, silver. I think it's like the same thing. Oof, look at that sell off. We didn't break that high. You're long?
No.
Well, Molly went long. She got stopped out. It's all good.
No, I didn't. That was imaginary. It was imaginary. It wasn't real.
That wasn't real. That was AI.
It was fake. Totally fake.
It was AI.
Nobody's saying anything.
So what?
Nobody's even watching.
Who cares?
All right. That's fine.
This is YouTube. What do you think's gonna happen? Look at this.
I have no freaking idea, dude. We're still in that little sandwich line.
I'm so tired.
Oh, man. Tapping that VWAP. Literally just tapped the VWAP. Look at that.
Wow.
Like, just tapped it. All right.
And no.
Yeah, we're definitely selling.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean, fuck it. Why not? I think we could maybe go tap that gap right there on the left. You see?
This one?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Might take a while to get there, but those lows too could be swept. So I think the lows are a good area to take a profit. I hope you get to like $400 on the day.
That'd be cool.
I think you should copy trade.
Super cool.
Why is there? You just notice that on the right? Like it keeps switching the places. Like it's like bouncing. I just hope it doesn't use it as support now. That's the only thing.
Oh.
The body closed above it.
Oh.
Sometimes the best thing to do is take your profits and walk away from the chart.
Meow.
Maybe you'll get like that breaker pattern after this candle. I mean, you're still up on the day.
Ooh.
Yeah. Hopefully, it's like that rejection on that little gap. You see it?
Yeah.
That'd be really nice. Like if it doesn't even touch the bottom of the box.
Yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Close below that VWAP, baby. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Rejection off that box. It's not drawn out on the chart, but like we can see it with our eyes. Fucking get heavy. It needs to get heavy here. Come on, we're below that VWAP now. Use the resistance. Go lower, please.
I'm meant to be here, actually.
Pretty please go lower. Nice. Selling off hard. Oh,
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Molly's back over $300.
I made a good
now.
play.
Good job.
That
Nice
was
short.
pretty
Show
good.
them why. I mean, look at that thing. It's still selling off. Oof. It's probably going to tap that box on the left, that gap right there.
Yeah, I wanted to go up a little bit, though. I don't know if it will.
Wow. Big sell off. We didn't break that high, and then it just sold off. So can you show them everything you did?
Yeah.
All the thousands of people watching.
I don't know what I did,
Oh.
to be honest with you.
You went short for a reason, though.
Yeah, I just noticed that I wasn't really getting past this, like, what is this, EMA?
Yeah. Fuck, look at that candle.
And I went
held it.
short.
Well, we broke the VWAP. That's what you said. You saw how, whoa. What are you doing? You're playing along? You're going short or long?
Going short.
You short at the very bottom of the candle?
I didn't know it was the very bottom of the candle.
When you went long on the new open candle.
Oh.
I mean, just hold your play now. That was kind of silly. Why did you do that?
Because I
you,
didn't
but
know
why
it was
did
the
you do
very
that?
bottom of the candle.
Because you're being antsy and just clicking buttons instead of being
No, I'm
using
not
your
being
head.
antsy. I'm being excited.
Don't do that. Because you're tapping the top of this box. Be careful. I mean, you're so.
Okay, I took out in profit, guys.
Just don't short the bottom of the move.
Okay, well. How do I know it's the bottom?
It could still go all the way down from the whole morning's move. It could go like 100 points lower, but that's just not the best entry because you're tapping the top of that box.
Look, that's the bottom here. This is the bottom.
And we could take that, but like I just think if you went short from the good entry from the very top, why would you go short there? It doesn't matter if it goes lower because it's still a bad entry.
Well, let's get a good entry then.
Yeah, good thing you just got rid of that, I think. Again, it still could go lower, but you can see that fair value up?
This one?
No, the green one on the left.
This one.
The big one, yeah, the big green candle. We're bouncing off the very top of that. Move your chart over to the right. Right there, yeah. Just relax. You're up 300.
I'm so relaxed. I'm so zen.
Stop hitting buttons for no reason.
I'm so zen.
Nice. Oh my God. Fuck yeah, baby. Get to $400 at least for the day. I hope you get to like 500, honestly. I hope it just swipes the fuck out of that. Molly's short. She's in profit right now. She'll want to go lower. I think. If it get really, really heavy, that'd be sick. Yeah, yes, yes. Heavy, 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 heavy. Stay heavy, stay heavy. Oh.
All right, I'm out. All right,
$400.
I got my account out of drawdown. I'm up 16 whole dollars.
Could have held it.
Yeah, totally, but it wasn't worth the risk for me. I just wanted to get my account out of drawdown.
Oh man, look at it go. It's getting heavy. I wish I was short.
See, I took this little pop-up right here. I went short.
Nice.
Even though Ethan said, "Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that?" I said,
yeah, but even taking
I'm
the pop-up
zen.
was smarter than doing what you did.
I'm so
You shorted the
zen.
bottom of the big red candle.
Yeah, I did
So
something. I
stupid.
did something stupid, but whatever.
But your pop-up analogy was smart.
Yeah,
That was a great entry.
it's honestly probably gonna take out these lows here.
Probably. Or it's gonna edge it.
Yeah, right. I wonder if there'll be another pop-up.
Probably. Never goes straight down usually. Besides, like every April now, it goes like one major black candle or red candle.
What happens in April is the Easter Bunny comes and takes everybody's money. Or is that May? I have no idea when Easter is, to be honest with you.
I don't even know what you're saying or whispering.
Oh.
Oh.
Well, you know what?
What? What?
Nothing. Damn. That would have been a good.
Oh, fuck. It's still selling off so hard. So hard.
Oh my God.
You were short at a good entry. You made money. Why did you make another play? Stop.
I don't have an answer. Mm. I'm just a genius who you don't understand.
Well, in other news, could bring your screen down. Well, in other news, Molly got antsy and lost the money she just made.
No, not all of it.
She was up 400 and now she's only up 285. Not to be mean or like beat her up, but a lesson in trading is what?
Here, okay, this is the pop-up.
To not
and then it's gonna go
overtrade.
down, and
Don't
then it's gonna go down and
overtrade.
hit those lows, right?
If
So
you
this
make
is-
profit on the day, don't give it back. Oh my God. I'm done. Can you make your screen is like in the thing?
All right, okay. I'm up $300 now, guys, because I'm done. I'm done for the training. I'm liking myself out. I'm done. Okay, no more for me. No more for me. I locked myself out. Stop.
Yeah, but you locked yourself out of one account. Would you lock yourself out of both
I'm
accounts?
done. I don't know.
I just wonder. No, you're probably locked out the whole thing. Oh, yeah, you can't do any trades. I see. Look at that. They like blank it out. 6 hours, 7 minutes. Tell them what you
That's
got
your
me.
gift. I got him a gift.
Meow.
I got him. I got him.
Meow.
This is what it's like to trade with you. Go short, go short. No. Why'd you do that? No.
When I was meowing, I bet
In my brain, it makes sense. Because you're like, say something, and then you go meow. Okay, so I got him. Can you stop, please? I got him a shirt with a.
Wow.
I bought him.
Holy shit. Look at that fucking candle.
Can I say what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
I bought him a shirt with a picture of our cat's face on it. And then I bought our cat a picture of his face on it. Wait.
Wait. What cat do I have? That's not our cat. This girl's on. She's on something. Just don't listen to anything she says right now.
I bought him a shirt with a picture of our cat's face on it. Then I bought our cat a shirt with a picture of his face on it. That's what I meant to say.
There's lots of cats. There's lots of pictures. There's lots of faces. Also, that fucking candle. Holy shit. Weren't you long? I'm asking seriously, were you?
Why did I just get deja vu again?
You about to fucking die?
Like, serious. I have this theory that, like, the more often you get deja vu, like, the more condensed it is, the closer you are to death.
Oh, that's great. What the fuck? The market's ripping. How many points is that candle?
Can you let him in?
I love you. What?
Can you let him in?
Let who in?
The dog.
Yeah. Hold on. That candle's low was...
You're going to make your pregnant girlfriend.
29th.
Stand up.
You're going to make my baby mama stand up. Okay, so that massive candle was... Damn, market is still ripping up. Wow. What is happening? Was there news or something? A tweet? Did Trump say something? Also, it's that macro time, 7:50 our time. So it's 8, 9, 10, 10:50. 10:50 is like the 50s and the 10s, like say 6 or like the last 10 minutes of the hour and the first 10 minutes of the hour are always like a good time to trade. Like there's always some type of move. That candle, the low was 29,383.75. And the high was 29,560. One candle was how many points on the fucking thing? God damn. 5, 6, and it's still going. Drag your screen down. Wow, look at that fucking move. What the fuck just happened?
SpaceX?
Or the war just ended. Wait, did SpaceX launch? Because that is gonna be on NASDAQ. Damn, we took out that high right there. Oh my God, look at those candles. That was literally, what'd you say the high from the candle that's rejecting now? That whole move was 29,000. Let's say 642 minus, this candle's low, the big green candle's low, which is about 29,389. That was a 253 point move in a matter of 3-4 minutes. Like that just moved 253 points.
I'm pretending I don't have FOMO.
Oh yeah. With one mini contract on NASDAQ, that's a $5,000 move on one mini just in 3 minutes. That's insane.
need to go on a walk. My body's hurting. My body is telling me to go on a walk.
Wow, still going. Wow, she's still ripping. Oh my God. She is strong. Wish I had more accounts to trade, but I don't. Let's see if we take out that high on the last 1 minute candle. I think we're gonna go up. Why would we not want to go up from here? I feel like we've been teeter-tottering on this too much. It's time. It's time. Highs here, came up, rejected. I think we just want to take it out finally. Come on. Wow. Hello. Just take it out. We took out these highs. I think we really should take out this wick right there. Bam. That would be nice. We're like well above all the EMAs and VWAP. We even had that crossover right here where the two converge or whatever and cross. Big green candle, big green candle, big green candle. And more rejection. What the fuck? This 50% is really a wall. Hey, big green candle. Come on.
I'm like mentally tapped out.
Yeah, we're done. I want to close it off at 8.
I'm mentally tapped out, guys.
I just want to see what this candle does if it takes out this high here.
Oh, it's probably going to.
I think it's time. It's about like, why not, you know? It's just a very strong move here.
So looking at this now, it's interesting, right? Because
Break it
like
down.
I was saying earlier that if it was getting past like this 29,400 mark and staying past it, that I would go short, right? But that's actually exactly where it started to consolidate. And it's interesting because right at that line, 29,400, just a little bit below it, that's exactly when it started to go up and push past 29,500 extremely strongly. And that's where we got that huge candle. So it's interesting to see the analysis play out.
Yeah, it's
even
awesome.
though I didn't listen to it.
That's half the battle right there.
I don't
right?
think my like eyes or my mental is trained enough to see, because honestly, I didn't even recognize that consolidation until I'm looking at it now.
Yeah.
But definitely that is exactly what was happening. Literally in the shape of a V. And then this one just...
Let's see. Let's draw out that high right there. I just want to... Now we're getting above the 50% more with the bodies closing. Big rejection though. There's some... Damn. They're really making it not easy right here.
They're like chopping it out in macros.
A lot of sell. Chopping it out in macro?
Yeah. It's choppy, but in a macro level.
Like the whole move?
Yeah.
I mean, I guess, like, if you think about it, right? This is kind of like a little range right here. Even that low there. Hit the top, rejects. Hit the top, rejects. Hit the top here, rejects. Hit the top. But I think maybe this is it. I'm so freaking tired and hungry. Big wick. Let's go to the 2 minute chart. 5 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. Yeah, I think it might take it. Look at that candle on the 15 minute. Holy shit. Yeah, I think it wants to take it. It looks really strong. Come on, baby. Damn. It's not making it easy. Let's see what ES is doing. ES, same kind of thing. You got these highs right here on ES. ES is about to take it. Oh, yeah. ES is about to take it. NASDAQ is also pumping up, about to take it. We talked about these highs multiple times during the stream being taken, didn't we not?
Yes.
Can I get a oh, yeah? Just kidding.
What is
and
oh, yeah?
And guys.
For 400.
Let's see. Let's see. We might even get the top of this box. And at last, here it comes. I mean, look at this move. If you went long here, you made so much money today. And honestly, like once you hit that like takeout, or sorry, or where was that London low sweep? Oh, that was the London low sweep. So this long was good too. But this was a great long here. It's funny how you lock yourself out right when this huge move happens. It's like the timing.
So you say that I was like trading the bottom here.
You went short
and
there.
I was going short at the bottom. How can I tell that that's the bottom?
Because of let's go to your computer really quick. The reason why I
Like, how do I know that that's the bottom? Because like if I was going short at the bottom, that's exactly where I would have wanted to go long.
right.
So how do I avoid that for next time?
Because the short was here. See, we had this huge pump up. Right here, we failed to break the high. So we're starting to sell off. This big red candle is an indication. And then we had all this chop coming up. We didn't really break this. The wick goes up above it and like takes out anybody that probably put their stop there. But the bodies are closing right here. We're using this EMA as just whatever. But right here, we start to break below the EMA. Our body closes below it. We come up. We have another closure. So your entry was right here or even like back here. But you might have got stopped. But personally, I would have waited for this break below, like right here to go short. It's hard though because the VWAP is right here too, right?
Right.
But you have this gap right here. So the top of this box would have kind of been my take profit, maybe the 50%. But what happened is we literally fill this gap here and then we didn't take this low. So yeah. And then I guess this pattern, the one we always see all the time.
The breaker.
Yeah, whatever it's called. That, but that candle's so big, like it's kind of hard to time that. And then also once we kind of invalidated this fair value gap here, like even a short like right here would have kind of made sense because like it didn't get into this box rejecting, and then this low. So like that would have been a play that I would have probably got like wrong. Like if I went short here, I would have maybe took this minor low, but either way I would have been wrong and lost that trade. But then once I saw this huge green candle like that, I would have fucking for sure went long for these highs, and then probably those highs, which it took.
Cool.
But the bottom was like, look at that big sell off here. We're tapping like a place of like, you know, oh, you know what it did? That pattern, look at this. It used the 50% of that. Look what the bodies are. So right there, that was a good, that was, so one, so, okay, perfect. So we used the 50% of this. And then once we started closing here, that's when you want to fucking go long. Even though this is here too, so like again, it's risky. But like, I mean, come on. Yeah, those are like a couple ways.
Cool.
But like, when it's like selling off really hard like this, it's not smart to go short because you're catching it here instead of here. Let's start scalping really fast, like a quick scalp.
All right. Well.
Okay, guys, we're done. I'm tired. You're tired.
Thanks for watching.
We're gonna go watch Obsession on a date. Well, that's later, but.
No, we're doing it right now, actually. Okay. Bye.
Bye.